How to send a copy or collaborate on a course in Articulate Rise 360. We will show you how to send a full copy of a course to another author. First, sign into Articulate Rise 360 by going to rise.articulate.com and logging in with your Articulate 360 account. Once you are logged in, you will land on your dashboard where all your courses are listed. Next, locate the course you want to send. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar if you have a lot of courses. Hover over the course you want to share and click the three dots, that is the More Options menu. From the menu that appears, click Send a Copy. A window will pop up asking for the recipient's email address. Enter the email of the Articulate Rise 360 author you want to send the course to. Note, if you are sending it to more than one person, just separate their email addresses with commas. There's also a default message included. You can customize it if you want, maybe add a note about why you are sending the course or any special instructions. When you are ready, click Send and you are done. The recipients will get an email with a link. When they open it, a copy of your course will appear automatically in their Rise 360 dashboard. Don't worry, your original course stays just the way it is. The copy they get is completely separate, so any edits they make won't affect your version. How to collaborate with your team on the same course in Articulate Rise 360. Now, let's look at real-time collaboration on the same course with your teammates. First, open the course you want to collaborate on. Click the Share button and click OK. Then type in the email addresses of your teammates. Note, your collaborators must be part of your Articulate 360 Teams account. External users can't be added. Once added, everyone can edit the course together, you're working on one shared version, and updates save in real time. So remember, send a copy when you want others to work independently. Use collaboration when you want to co-edit a live course with your team. That's it. Thanks for watching, and happy course creating with Articulate Rise 360.